Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, I'm here with my family at Lucena City. So that's my two niece, my sister, and my brother-in-law as we walk going to the Paris Park sa harap ng Kapitolyo. Okay. So we have popcorns, we have cotton candies. The night is so festive. So Paskong Quezonian 2024. Pasko sa Cocolandia. So, ayan. Ang dami-dami pong tao. It feels so Christmassy. And that's my pamangkin. Our bunsong girl. Buying a balloon. So, on the way pa lang kami. Hinihingi na niya yan. So, there you go. So, now off we go and enter the Dragon Ball Charot. So I was actually feeling nostalgic as I'm rewatching, editing the videos, the clips from this night. So this was actually bisperas ng fiesta sa hometown ko, which is in Pagbilao. Kaya din ako umuwi, sumakto sa day off. And since kaka-open lang nito sa public, we decided to visit it kami para makagala-gala. And why I'm feeling nostalgic is because nung ako yung bata, younger than my niece, who's walking forward with her balloon, ayan, dancing. My father likes to take us literally everywhere, especially pag Pasko. So, we went to Boom na Boom, we were going to Farmers Cubao just to watch the giant Christmas tree and also hindi pa ganon kadami ang gagawa ng giant Christmas tree when I was a child. So, yeah, dinadayo namin siya talaga. So, we've found the rest of our family kasi dalawang sasakyan kami pumunta rito. And look at those displays. So, I'm so happy. Ang ganda-ganda niya. And kudos to the provincial government. And this is my nephew, Kuya Silvian. So, ang daming ilaw. And ang dami ding tao. And everybody's enjoying. And that's my mama and my niece. Also, si Monique. So, I think for this part, the theme is butterfly garden. So, ayan, gumagalaw-galaw pa siya. So, what I really wanted to say is that now that I am the one who is mature, na-realize ko how important it is that we had a happy childhood ourselves, kami ng mga kapatid ko. Because, lumaki kami, tumanda kami with happy memories. So, it kept us bonded and we wanted the kids to experience the same childhood that we had. It was a magical, wonderful childhood. And we weren't even rich. We're far from rich. But, hindi naging hadlang yon para hindi namin ma-enjoy ang Pasko. So, we're trying to recreate those memories sa mga pamangkin naman namin, sa mga anak ng mga ate ko. So, look at that. It's so beautiful. And obviously, sa dami ng self-videos ko, it's so obvious that I'm enjoying the night as well. So, this is my Ate Myra's kids. So, Zillian, Kiara, and Miguel. So, they're taking their picture together. Ayan, diba? So, kagaya nung kanina, you have popcorn from the street vendors. You have cotton candies. You have balloons. You have... A happy childhood doesn't have to be expensive. You just have to enjoy it with the family. So I hope that this Christmas season everyone gets to reconnect with their families, have a stronger foundation, and it what keeps us sane in this crazy adulthood. Kinese. Yeah. Adulting is hard, but you know, when you have a happy family, it doesn't mean na wala kayong nagiging challenges. It doesn't mean na hindi kayo nagkakasundo at times. Hindi kami pa ba, kanya-kanya kami ng toy. And yes, the essence of Christmas, the very reason for Christmas is this: Jesus, the family, the Sagrada Familia. So, the birth of Jesus, the coming together, even the kings came. So, yes, so yan talaga yung spirit of Christmas. It reminds us to stay as a family, to love each other. And tada! Ang dami ko sinasabi, but yeah. So there's the giant Christmas tree, and underneath it, there's this light tunnel. It's pretty. There's also another tunnel. Kaya lang ang daming tao. So, malay mo, makabalik ako dito and I'll have better videos. So, ayun, diba? Yung mga nasa likod ko. Hello po sa inyo. I'm not really a famous vlogger. I don't even call myself a vlogger. I'm just making memories here. So, but thank you for smiling at the camera. So, look at this decor. It's so magical. And I think places like this and nights like this gives kids the idea or the inspiration to be creative then, diba? And this is my pretty Kiara and Miguel. Okay, we're waiting in line to go up sa malaking Christmas tree. So the tickets are free and the kids go free even without tickets. So if ever papasyal kayo, don't worry, wala kayong babayaran. I don't know what the tickets are for, maybe head count or crowd control. I don't know what that's for. I haven't asked, but it's free. And let me just say, ang pretty-pretty ng red ribbon ni Kiara. Para siyang Snow White or a Disney princess because it's red. So, it's just so pretty. Diba? Ayun. Hindi kasi sumama sa amin sa taas si Mama at si Kuya Zillian. Okay. So, Kiang, say hi. O, diba? Ang pretty-pretty ng pamangkin ko. And Tito Lau, say hi to the vlog. Ang saya lang kasi even things like this which actually is ang simple lang, wala kang gagastusin, pupunta lang kayo, mamamasyal lang kayo and just enjoy bonding with the family, enjoy each other, enjoy the kulitan. I think that's very important. So up we go. So this also serves as a view deck para ma-appreciate nyo yung buong park. Okay. So, ayan na nga. Ang todong mahangin sa labas. Yung kulot ko lalo ng kumulot. So, ayan yung decor ng Christmas tree up close. It's so nice. And, yeah. Diba? Merry Christmas, everybody. It's just November, pero Merry Christmas na sa inyong lahat. And, my favorite couple, Jack and Lau. And the family. My favorite family. Walang choice. Charot. I love my family. So, ito yung taas. Medyo napabilis lang sa unang kuha. But this one is a slower clip. So, ang ganda, diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya talaga. Sana makabalik ako this December. So, bababa na ako. Ang haba-haba ng saya ko dyan, naaapakan ko, and yung buhok ko pang bruha na, okay, hahabol pa sa Halloween. Pero syempre, for the video, kunwari, graceful tayo. Char. So, ayun, baba na tayo. Where's my mama? Hanap ko na yung mama ko. Picture taking pa kami. Ayan ulit yung butterflies. Ang dami niyan actually. And ang ganda-ganda talaga. It's so magical. I can't say it enough. Ang galing po. So, ayun na, ang mama ko. So, we're now planning where to eat or have coffee. Ito, hindi na ako nakapag-pictorial dito. Late ko na siya nakita. So, dapat talaga bumalik ako. And that's it. We're gonna have coffee. Bye-bye!